Find the exact value of each of the remaining trig functions of theta if tangent theta is equal to negative 1/3 and sine theta is positive. From this information, we need to first figure out the quadrant where theta lies. So let's draw that. Y-axis, x-axis. Now we know the quadrant rule. All students take calculus. So tangent is negative. So tangent negative means all positive, tangent positive. So either in the second quadrant or in the first quadrant. And it says sine theta is positive. Sine theta bigger than 0. That means here. Okay. So second quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sine is negative. Only cosine is positive. So the angle theta lies in the second quadrant. So somewhere, it doesn't have to be exact, it's here. So our angle is here. And we know in a right triangle, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So out of ABC, that's B over A. Okay, let's take a point AB on the line, terminal side of the angle. So that's AB means A equals 3 and B equals 1. But this negative can be regarded for the top or the bottom depending on where we are. So to get to this point, if we drop a perpendicular line, then we have a right triangle and we have the reference angle here, and this is AB. So this length is A, this is B, and this is C, or we denote by R. Okay, once we know all three A, B and C, A, B and R, then we can find the values of all trig functions. So A is given now. This is on the negative side of the x-axis. The distance is always positive, but for theta we consider the correct sign. That's A equals negative 3. So we want to write this negative 1/3 as 1 over negative 3. This negative can be regarded for the top or the bottom, but our point is in the second quadrant. So A is negative 3 and B is 1, because tangent is B over A, opposite over adjacent. So this is 1 and this is negative 3. So let me write over here. So A, B and R. A is negative 3 for theta. Okay, B is 1. R, we want to determine R. How? A square plus B square equals C square, or in this case R square. A is given negative 3. Negative 3 quantity is squared. Negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. 1 square 1 equals R square. 9 plus 1, 10 equals R square. Take square root both sides. R is square root of 10. And this is R, so square root of 10. And R is always positive. Now we want to find all 6 trig function values. Tangent is given. We are supposed to find 5, but let me list all of them. Sine, cosine, tangent, and they are reciprocal. Cosecant, secant, cotangent. Okay, sine is B over R, so 1 over root 10. You can rationalize if you like, but this is good enough. Cosine is A over R, so A for our theta, so negative 3 over root 10. Tangent is B over A, that's 1 over negative 3. That's negative in the front, negative 1/3. Cosecant is just the reciprocal of this, so root 10. Find the reciprocal, flip the fraction, root 10 over 3. Okay, and cotangent is just flip the fraction, negative 3. Final.